Microsoft Lumia 950 XL Dual SIM, Smartphones 2015. Price, $390. Global release date, 2015, December. Operating system, Microsoft Windows 10. Display, 5.7-inch AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, 16M colors. Protection, Corning Gorilla Glass 4. Multi-touch, yes. Resolution, 1440 by 2560 pixels. Processor, octa-core 1.5 GHz Cortex-A53. Chipset, Qualcomm MSM8994 Snapdragon 810. GPU, Adreno 430. Primary camera, 20 megapixel, Carl Zeiss optics, OIS, autofocus, triple LED RGB flash. Front camera, 5 megapixel, 1080 HD. Camera features, geotagging, face detection, panorama, HDR, pure view. Video, 2160 HD, stereo sound record. RAM, 3 GB. Storage, 32 GB. SIM support, 2. SIM type, nano SIM. 3.5mm jack, yes. NFC, yes. LAN, Wi-Fi 802.11, hotspot. GPS, yes. USB, micro USB 3.1, Type-C 1.0 reversible connector. USB OTG, yes. Battery, 3340 mAh removable battery. Standby, up to 288 hour, 3G, talk time, up to 19 hour, 2G. Sensors, iris scanner, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, barometer, sensor core. Network support, 2G, 3G, 4G. Colors, black, white. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel to get more videos.